Hey everyone! Before we kick this off, if you're interested in more content like this, you can click on the top right of your screen for a whole playlist of ways regarding how to make money online. Now on to the video. All you have to do basically is copy, paste, and submit, then wait for a couple of minutes and collect your earnings. You can do this again and again for unlimited times, and clicking on this video was one of the best decisions you made, since you're about to learn how you can go from zero to thousands of dollars online with one of the easiest methods so far. Whether you've heard a little about PPC marketing and are curious to learn more, or you already know that you want to use PPC to market your business but aren't sure where to start, you've come to the right place. PPC stands for pay per click, a model of internet marketing in which advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Essentially, it's a way of buying visits to your site, rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. The reason for this is because you don't ever need to go look for advertisers to negotiate directly with companies looking to spend money on advertising. Google does all that for you. Fun fact, you don't have to invest any money and it works all over the world, so I want you to type in the comments down below what you would do with that amount of money made online. In this current time, making money online is definitely the way to go. No transport needed, no space needed, just the simple things: internet connectivity, a machine to work with, and persistence. There probably are more benefits associated with working from home. Type it down in the comments below. Today we're going to be talking about how to earn $36,000 for clicks, beginner-friendly, make money online. Make sure to stay till the end so that you can get to learn the best advice to get more money in your account. We always are looking for a URL shortener network that pays you the maximum amount as well as pays you immediately. No one wants to wait for their account to turn into $10 in order to get their money in their PayPal or bank account. We all are always curious about thinking whether or not a URL shortener will pay you. Gone are the days when webmasters and bloggers rely completely on display advertising. There are many sources to make money online. URL shortening is one of the best ways to earn money. Al.ly is a well-known URL shortening service. It offers publishers to earn money by shortening links. It's a good alternative to paste URL shortening networks. Al.ly, Ally, review sites before approving them. Ally is URL shortening service that pays you up to $21 for every 1,000 visits. The best part about the URL shortener is its minimum payout. You can withdraw and ask for payment as soon as your account reaches a minimum of $1. Yes, only $1. Even if you're a beginner and just starting out to use the URL shortening service. You can get the payout easily. Along with this, they have some simpler short surveys and tasks you can also make money from there. For instance, in this paid URL shortener, you'll get some tasks such as downloading an app or signing up for a website. In return of that, you'll get paid. Therefore, it becomes easier to reach $1. For this next and most crucial step, we shall introduce you to a site, mini.link. That will not only help in boosting your clicks, but also the revenue you get. Make sure to comment down below if you're loving this type of content and if from what country you're watching this from. If you've been using Instagram for any period of time now, you have probably heard or seen the phrase link in bio. We know that for a while there was one option, one link with one CTA. Now, there are a ton of platforms available to help you optimize your link in bio section and make the most out of that one master link with multiple links. After we're finished here, you'll have to have firm knowledge of how to set up a proper link in bio that can begin driving even more of your followers exactly where you want them to go. Since there's no way to include a clickable link in the caption of a regular post, the only way to bring a call to action and to have your audience leave Instagram to go to your website or any other external link is to refer them to the link in bio in your post. The only other place where you can have a clickable link on Instagram is in Stories. In Instagram Stories, a link is accessible by users swiping up. However, this feature is only available if you have more than 10,000 followers. That limitation makes the link in bio the only clickable link on Instagram for most users. To share multiple links at the same time, usually you'll send each link, and sometimes there's a disorder because you don't know which link to send, or haven't sent any link yet. If so, you can use the mini link service to group links and share links together in one place. Mini-link, as the name implies, is a service that allows you to showcase many links on one page. It's a free and intuitive tool that does one thing and does it well. They don't offer advanced features others do, customizable profile, or analytics, but it can meet your needs. The service will help users create shared links, share shared links, and update those shared links in one place and a single address. Thus, if users need to share multiple links at the same time, mini-links will help make that fastest and simplest. How to use Capsule Link to create shared link groups. How to limit the time of sharing links on Google Drive. How to send email to self-destruct within 5 minutes on Gmail. Instructions for using mini-link to create a shared link. Step 1. Click on the link https://minilink.co/ to access Minilink's homepage, then click on Get Started to use. Step 2. To create an account with a required information in the interface, and click the Create Account button. Access the email address used to register and confirm the account. Click on the link in the email content. Step 3. Appear Create Profile interface. Here, the users should enter the username on the username bar below and click Continue. The name has no spaces between characters. This username will not allow editing and will appear in the URL to share, so you choose a name that's easy to remember. Step 4. Switch to the new interface. We'll see the shared address of our share. Here, users continue to set up account information such as avatars, display names, contact email addresses, social networks. Step 5. To create a shared link, click on the link section that appears and clicks Add Link in the interface that appears. Step 6. In this new interface, enter a title for the link without the URL in the title bar. Paste the URL to share that URL in the bar and click the Save button. So we have created a link in the interface of Mini-Link. The link name will be shortened alphabetically with the first letter in the name. Users continue to click Add Link to create the link to share. The service does not limit the number of links that you want to create in an account. Step 7. Users can switch the location of displaying links when clicking the Move button. If you want to edit, click the gear icon. To delete the link, click the trash icon. When the link is opened directly from the service, we'll provide the number of clicks below the link. Step 8. Next, click on the Profile section to access the Share Link page and copy the URL in the address bar to share. The shared link in the form https://minilinks.co/@abc, where ABC is the username you originally set. When you share the link and others click on this link, they'll get to the interface to summarize all the links and just click on each link to access it. Minilink has a very simple feature, but for those who need to share multiple links at once, this service will help you a lot. We just need to group the links that we want to share, then Minilink will create a link to join the individual links and share them. Requirements for sites to join ALI URL Shortening Network. The sites must not host any objectionable content like adult, spam, hacking, gambling, viruses, malware, etc. The site must not have linked to any illegitimate sites. The publishers must not have multiple accounts. The sites must not attain spyware and adware material. Don'ts. The publisher must not spam forums, sites, and blogs with links. The publisher must not encourage others to click on the links. The publishers must not use proxies, bots, HitLeap, PTC sites, and traffic exchanges to generate fake traffic. This network doesn't entertain fake traffic at any cost. The publishers must not use any software to redirect the links. The viewers must click on the links on their own. The publishers must not click on their own shortened links. Note: ALI will ban publishers if found guilty of doing any illegal practices. Payment. The publishers get paid on a request basis. The minimum payout is $1. The payment options are PayPal, Payza, and Skrill. Referral program. The publishers can increase their revenue referring others. The commission rate is 20%. Best features. The publishers can target the links to redirect visitors to specialized pages. Timely payments. Unlike other ad networks, you don't need to wait for 30 to 60 days for getting paid. Low threshold payout. The publishers can track their performance and revenue using advanced reporting systems. The publishers can protect their links by setting up passwords. The publishers can export their URL links in CSV format. Referral system. Final conclusion. ALI is one of the best URL shortening services to make money. The publishers who had tried this URL shortening service can share their experiences below. Hope this ally introduction will help you to get started. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on the 2 videos in the screen. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you there, and thanks for watching.